Google Splash Canvas. Do you really have anything important planned today? Let the fun begin.
I need paint to smudge.
Such ethereal undulations recall the delicate, dreamlike brushwork of Odilon Redden, who, quite fascinatingly, often signed his works with a flourish of his quill. He can scroll or pinch to make us smaller or bigger.
It looks exactly like a squashed blueberry muffin frozen in time.
Oh, wow. It looks like a pile of fluffy clouds dancing in a very happy deep blue sea.
Way too much texture, it feels heavy and suffocating.
Just want to smear those bumpy blue bits around a little more.
This textured form evokes the tactile vibrancy of Jean de Buffet, whose focus on raw matter, or art brut, truly reshaped our appreciation for the gritty essence of the creative impulse.
It looks
Watch out,
like
I
a
erase
majestic
paint.
silver slide for a very brave and tiny space ghost.
We can scroll or pinch to make us smaller or bigger.
Yay! It looks like a lonely little sailboat sailing into a giant pearly white adventure.
The void finally breathes, though those textured blobs still ruin the silence.
I really want to take my flipper and swirl that sparkly white patch right into the blue.
The ethereal lightness reminds me of J.M.W. Turner, who is known to have himself lashed to a ship's mast during a storm just to witness its raw fury.
It looks like a giant, icy scoop of marshmallow melting into a cold, white void.
It looks like a majestic, stormy sea wave crashing down on a tiny little beach.
It looks like a crinkled piece of trash caught in a storm.
We can scroll or pinch to make us smaller or bigger.
Those crinkles feel so nice. I really want to press my thumb right into the thickest layer.
Vigorous impasto suggests the masterful hand of Vincent van Gogh, who remarkably produced over 2,000 artworks in just a single decade.
Get the idea? You can spend all day over here. But I got other things to do, so it's your turn. Enjoy.
It looks like a beautiful, swirling galaxy